What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. In my last vlog, I left it at I'm gonna be working on my CNC for the most of the night, and I fixed it. It works almost perfectly. I got everything moving side to side, like everything works except for when I go to carve. When you go to carve, you set your bit down on your piece, and then you tell the machine, okay, raise the bit and start the carve, and then it'll plunge into the machine and stuff. This guy just goes all the way up and then starts carving in the air, and I don't know why. But I do have somebody on Instagram who is helping me to figure it out. So I'm gonna do some code and stuff and get this figured out and send it off to him, and he's gonna take a look at it. I probably won't have much more time to work on it though today, because I'm going on an adventure with my family, and it's gonna be great. I might have just fixed this thing, dude. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Let's go! I'm so excited. So this is like a calibration test, and it has different cuts and different depths and different sizes and stuff. You put it in and then you go back and you measure everything. So this box right here is supposed to be 2 inches. Okay. 1.983, so it's off what? Not even, I don't know how to do hundredths of an inch. That's pretty good. Beautiful. Plus these are cheap calipers. I probably should invest in some actual good ones. That's beautiful. Everything looks square and round. The depths are decent. I'm not gonna be doing any like super precision work, so I'm not terribly worried about it. Is my camera dirty? Well, yes, Trevor, it was. I'm sorry about that. That's so exciting. All right, I gotta go get ready for my adventure. I'll see you guys in the car. What are you doing back here?
I just want to sit here.
No, you gotta sit in your seatbelt. Food. Some seats. All right, we made it.
Okay. We made it talking.
Okay, talk.
Okay, we're here. This is, what?
Horseshoe Lake.
Horseshoe Lake. Oh, hey guys, I got this pretty flower, and I found it in the water.
Found it in the water? Probably from all those lilies over there, huh? We're gonna go to a new place. Did you guys have fun here? Yeah, we're moving locations because this place is super muddy and super rocky. There's rocks like from here all the way out to here, so it's not very good for swimming. Made it to our second location of the day. This place is called Cave Falls, but this actually isn't the falls area. This is like a secondary fall. The actual falls is a little bit more upstream, and I'll take you guys there in a minute. Get in! What a cutie! Yeah. That's Cave Falls, back behind there. Is this pretty fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're having a good time, huh? Cave Falls, baby! Woo! Woo! that is it for our adventure. We had a lot of fun. but we're done for the day. So be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.